Welcome. Till now we have studied about the opposite rays. Opposite rays are what? Having the common origin and the rays are opposite and they form a straight line. So they are said to be a opposite rays. If you see here ray QS and ray QP, they are opposite rays because they are having a common origin and they form a straight line. So they are opposite rays. If you see here, these are the adjacent angles. Okay, but these adjacent angles means what? Having a common arm and common vertex and their interiors are separated. So you can see these are the adjacent angles. But now if you see, these adjacent angles are lying in the straight line, means they are in the line. So these angles are said to be a linear pair. So today we are going to learn about angles in a linear pair. Means the angles which are in the lines. If you see here, angle RQS and angle RQP, they are in the straight line. Okay. Now we will go for some questions which are given in the textbook. Write the names of the angles in the figure. So here we can say angle RQS and angle RQP. Okay. Now what type of pair of angles it is? If you see which pair we have studied about complementary angle and supplementary angle. If you will add 120 degree plus 60 degree, you will get 180 degree. So these are which pair? They are pair of supplementary angles. Which arms of these angles are not common arms? If you see here, which arms of the angles are not the common arms? They are not common arms. So if you see arm QS and QP, because RQ arm is common to these two angles. So these two arms are not common to these angles. So we can write arm QS and arm QP. Okay, because they are in the opposite direction. Okay. Now measure of PQR. Already measure of PQR it is given 120 degree. And measure of RQS it is given 60 degree. So when we are adding, we will get 180 degree. 180 degree means they are supplementary. So what we can say, the angles which are forming in the line and they are supplementary, then we can say the angles are in the linear pair. Now the definition it is given, the angles, angle PQR and angle PQS in the figure above are adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means having a common arm and common vertex. Okay. And are also supplementary angles. If you are measuring, if you are measuring it, you will get 180 degree. So they are supplementary. The arms that are not common to both angles form a pair of opposite rays. If you see arms which are not common, they form a opposite rays. That is QS and QP. They are the opposite rays because they are not having a common arm. Common arm it is here RQ. Okay. So that are not common to both the angles form a pair of opposite rays. That is, these arms form a straight line and we say that these angles form a linear pair. Means the angles which are lying in the line, they are said to be a linear pair. So the definition how we can say is, sum of the measures of the angles in a linear pair is 180 degree. Supplementary it is 180 degree and linear pair also the angle will measures 180 degree. Now angles in a linear pair, the definition is the what I explained, angles which have a common arm and whose other arms form a straight line are said to be angles in a linear pair. Angles in a linear pair are supplementary angles. Now we will go for practice set 19. Now it is given, draw the pairs of angles as described below. If that it is not possible, say why. Complementary angles that are not adjacent. Adjacent means how you will show in this way. This is supplementary, but here if I am showing, they should be 90 degree. Okay, the sum should be 90 degree. But this is adjacent. This should not be adjacent. Means we can show in this particular manner that either we can take two angles, one of 60° and one of 30°. Okay. (60° plus 30° is equal to 90°. So separately we can show 40 and 50, again it is 90°. Okay, 40° plus 50°, again it is 90°. So means two different angles. If we are joining, then it will become a adjacent angles. So we can draw here. I am taking 60 and 30°. (60°). This I have drawn 60°, and next I will draw 30°. So make a ray. Adjust the compass and 30°. So this is P, Q, R. Okay, so this is 30°. So we got it. Complementary angles that are not adjacent. So these are the pair of complementary angles. 60 plus 30 is 90°, and they are not adjacent. Adjacent means they should have a common arm and common vertex. So they are separated, different. So they are not adjacent and they are complementary angles. Angles in a linear pair which are not supplementary. So angles in a linear pair which are not supplementary, already it is mentioned here. Angles in a linear pair are supplementary angles. So how we can draw? So it is not possible. It is, they are given up, not possible. Say the reason. So we can write here, not possible because angles in a linear pair are always supplementary. Supplementary means 180°. So angles in a linear pair they are saying, and which are not supplementary, and definition itself they define that angles in the linear pair are always what? Supplementary. So it is not possible like that. So here they have said which are not supplementary. How it is possible? Now next question, third, complementary angles that do not form a linear pair. So complementary angles that do not form a linear pair. Linear pair means they should their complementary means 90° and linear pair means 180°. So the sum should be what? Not more than means their sum should be, two angle is 90°. So we can draw any two angles we can draw. 30 plus 60 for 90°, or so same as the first one. So we can do 30° plus 60° is equal to 90°, or we can take 40° plus 50° plus 40°, that is 90°. Okay, so we can take in this form. So complementary angles that do not form a linear pair. Linear pair means their sum should not be 180°. So we complementary angle means two angles we will do and their sum is 90°. So I am taking the first one, that is 30° and 60°, because 30° and 60°, this it will be a complementary and not a linear pair. Okay, so 30. So give the name A, B, C. I have drawn the measure of 30°. And next I will draw 60°. Okay. And this is how much degree? 60°. So complementary angles that do not form a linear pair. So these are the complementary angles and they are not forming a linear pair. Okay. So this is clear. We can draw any measurement two angles. They will be complementary, means their sum should be 90° and they should not form a linear pair. So here they are the pair of complementary angles and they do not form a linear pair. Now next question it is given. Adjacent angles which are not a linear pair. Adjacent angles and they are not a linear pair, means they should not be 180°. So it is very easy. We can draw any angle. I am giving the ray BC. Then I am taking I am drawing of 60° and one is of 30°, means together. Okay. So now if you see adjacent angles which are not in a linear pair. So this is adjacent angles. A and I will give the name. So what is adjacent angles? Are angle which are having a common arm and common vertex and their interiors are separated. So they are said to be adjacent angles, and they are now, if this is the adjacent angles, angle ABD and angle DBC, these are the adjacent angles and they are not forming a linear pair. Okay, so adjacent angles which are not in a linear pair. So this is a adjacent angle. What is adjacent angles? Adjacent angles are the angles which are having a common arm, common vertex and their interiors are separated. Okay. Now next it is asked angles which are neither complementary nor adjacent. So they angles which are neither complementary, means they should not be 90° and nor adjacent, means you can draw two different angles, for example 30° and plus 40°, the sum is 70°. So they are what? Nor adjacent and not complementary. So like that you can draw 50° plus 30°. So sum is 80°. Means that sum should be not 90°, because it will be a complementary. So this we can do quickly. So I am drawing first one 30° and 40°. The sum will be 70°. So I have drawn A, B, C of 30°. And next I can draw 40°. ABC, then give name DE 40°. Okay. So angle ABC and angle CDE, this is I have drawn of measure 40 degree. So angles which are neither complementary, so angle ABC and angle CDE, they are not complementary and they are not adjacent because they do not have a common arm and common vertex. Sixth question, angles in a linear pair which are complementary. See, angles in a linear pair. Linear pair means straight line measures, straight angle measures 180 degree, and then how it will be complementary 90 degree. So what we can write? Linear pair means what? 180 degree. Linear pair means it should be 180 degree. So what you can write here? Not possible because angles in a linear pair are always supplementary. Supplementary means one. So angles in a linear pair which are complementary. So how it is possible? Because linear pair means the sum, you will get the sum 1, and always it is mentioned also that the linear pairs are always supplementary. So here we have completed practice set 19, practice set 20 with explanation. We will continue in the next class. Thank you.